Introducing Micador Junior WorldBuilda, a unique concept from Micador that takes kids crafting beyond the flat and mundane and into their very own 3D world. Get your hands on an Ancient Worlds pack for hours of world-building creative playtime. You get 16 double-sided full-colour hexagonal TerraTiles with 6 different floor textures. You'll also find lots of BuildaBits to colour in and construct, including the Explorers, Kaiya and Flint, plus archways, totems, monkeys, plants and heaps more. But that's not all. You also get 3 sticker sheets with over 30 stickers to decorate the scene. For hours of creative playtime, add to your ancient world or create standalone scenes with ExpandaBits. There's Bluey the Paleontologist, Bela the Archeologist, or Salty the S.U.V. There's also a bonus cutout scene printed on the inside of the packaging to colour and stand up as a backdrop to the scene. Why not build your world even further? Try your luck finding all the CollectaBits. Will you be lucky enough to find the ultra-rare gemstone or the rare TerraTiles? Each pack contains CollectaBit pop-outs and a tile. The WorldBuilda range is part of Micador's Green Earth collection, made from FSC-certified materials. WorldBuilda. Craft your world, play your way.